Alrighty, KWDC listeners, this here is our Zoom H6. It is an audio recording equipment and it is used to capture audio, and here are some peripherals with it as well as the Zoom H6 itself. Here's the main device. Next here you'll have some microphone options here. Here's a stereo mic. It is labeled in the back as stereo mic and it tells you the exact name of it, the exact numbers. And this here is the XY other. It's a different type of stereo mic, and you can see back there that's different. They're used for different purposes. This one is mainly used for an interview, and this one, the stereo mic, is more for just your own individual recording, not as so much as an interview type setting. And over here we got our little fluffy here. You can put it on your mic if you're experiencing heavy winds. Lots of microphones come with this, Rode mics and a bunch of others, boom mics. And then here is the USB cable that comes with it, to connect and put your put your Zoom into your computer, laptop, or any USB accessory. So let's just connect this bad boy up, why don't we? Very simple, very plug and play. And you gotta arm your left and right. There, you got left and right channels all over. You got, left and right, 1, 2, 3, 4, record, and then hold it on, and it'll be turned on. Very simple. Now, as it says, currently don't have an SD card, but you need an SD card for storage. And that's pretty much a Zoom H6. You can check them out here at KWDC and hope to have you get some good audio.